In this video, we'll explain the most common forms of payment in Amadeus and how to enter them before ticket issuance. A form of payment, or FOP, tells Amadeus how the customer is paying for the ticket. This is a mandatory step before issuing most tickets. We'll focus on the most common payment methods used by travel agencies. The most common payment method is cash. To enter a cash payment, use FPCASH. When we use this command, it means the customer has already paid cash directly to the travel agency. In this case, Amadeus records the booking as a cash sale. The airline does not collect the money directly from the passenger. Instead, the airline collects the money from the travel agency through the IATA/BSP settlement process. Unlike credit card payments, the money is not deducted instantly. Depending on your agency's agreement with IATA/BSP, settlement may happen every few days, every 2 weeks, or according to your reporting cycle. The second payment method is a credit or debit card. Unlike cash payments, card payments are processed immediately, and the amount is charged directly to the customer's card. Visa card. To enter a Visa card, use FPCCVI card number/expiry date. MasterCard/credit card. To enter a MasterCard, use FPCCCA card number/expiry date. Once entered, the payment authorization is processed and the charge is made directly to the card. The third payment method is FPINVOICE. This means the customer has an invoice or a credit account with the agency. In other words, the customer will pay later according to an agreed payment arrangement. From a ticketing perspective, we generally treat it the same way as a cash payment. The airline will still collect the money from the agency through the BSP settlement process. Other mandatory elements before ticket issuance. Besides the form of payment, there are a few other important elements that may be required before issuing a ticket. Commission, FM. Sometimes airlines publish special promotions or incentives on certain routes. For example, a flight from Cairo to Aswan on EgyptAir may offer a 5% commission to travel agencies. This means the airline will pay the agency a 5% commission when the ticket is issued. To enter the commission, use FM5. This tells Amadeus that the agency commission is 5%. Important note: the commission percentage is calculated from the fare amount only. It is not calculated from the total ticket amount. For example, fare, 1,000 AED. Taxes, 300 AED. Total ticket, 1,300 AED. A 5% commission is calculated on the 1,000 AED fare, not on the 1,300 AED total. Validating carrier, FV. The last important item is the validating carrier. In most cases, this is added automatically when the booking is priced. However, it is always good practice to verify it before ticket issuance. To enter a validating carrier manually, use FV airline code. When entering the validating carrier, make sure it matches the airline that will issue the ticket. For example, if your flight segment is on EgyptAir with airline code MS, then you should enter FVMS. Once everything is completed, the booking is ready for ticket issuance.